Sick of 2026 grocery prices? So am I. Today I'm showing you exactly how to replace half of your 2026 shopping list with high-yield, urban-friendly seeds designed for small spaces. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. It's 2026, and if you're still buying all of your produce at the store, you're paying a convenience tax that's higher than ever. Today I'm sharing how to stop buying 50% of your groceries by transforming any urban space into a food system. We're moving past hobby gardening into high-yield food production. To hit that 50% mark, we focus on the frequent 5 things you buy every week that lose 40% of their nutrients before they even hit the shelf, such as spinach. In 2026, urban gardening is about efficiency and succession planting, which is planting more than once to keep the harvest constant. Bush beans, one of the easiest plants to keep alive. One seed gives you bowls of protein all summer. The Marketmore Cucumber, very prolific grower. Swiss chard is an incredibly beautiful plant and highly nutritious. It produces abundantly across many seasons, as it tolerates both heat and cool weather. In my humble opinion, no garden should be without tomatoes. They are excellent vertical growers, great for containers or grow bags, excellent sliced on a sandwich, cooking into a sauce, or canning into a jar for later. Both zucchini and squash are must-haves for gardens for their prolific yields. They provide a huge harvest from just a few plants. And here are a few bonuses: carrots and the beautiful eggplant. Creating the right space that's just right for you takes time. It doesn't happen overnight, so don't fret. My garden started out with a couple of raised beds and a ton of grow bags. Most gardeners, like myself, will change the layout in our garden several times before we find that perfect sweet spot. I later added the metal raised beds in my garden, which changed the production as well as the appearance of my garden. This is my 6th year growing in my small space urban garden, and what I've learned is don't leave soil bare. Use every inch. For example, herbs on the bottom, climbers in the middle, and leafy greens on the edges for easy access. Filling in bare spots will, of course, make room for more harvest. Bare spots in the garden can cause erosion, allowing wind and rain to wash away precious topsoil. Weed magnet. Bare soil is an open invitation for weeds to germinate and take over. Nutrient loss. Soil loses nutrients and organic matter quickly when exposed. Compaction. This is when soil becomes hard and less permeable to water and air. Habitat loss. Beneficial soil organisms lose food and shelter, so we've got to protect those little guys. If you don't want or need the extra food, mulch acts as a shield to prevent soil erosion and all of those other things we just mentioned. In order for me to save money for my family and stop buying 50% of our groceries, we'll be maximizing our space by filling in all of the bare spots. The dense growth will shade out weeds, reducing competition for nutrients and water. Also, the roots will hold soil in place and the foliage protects the surface. Also, water management. Improved soil structure actually absorbs more water, reducing runoff. Now, the way that I'm planning to fill in the bare spots, I'm probably not going to need very much mulch. But mulch definitely reduces evaporation, so it does help tremendously. This video definitely brings back memories, filling up those raised beds with organic materials that we already had lying around. For instance, the cardboard, the logs, fallen leaves, and sticks. I so enjoy color and flowers in my garden space. In 2026, we're going maximalist like never before. If you're ready to reclaim your food budget in 2026 or looking to start a garden, hit that subscribe button to follow for more easy gardening tips and inspiration. Comment 2026 below and tell me, what's the one vegetable you're refusing to buy this year? Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.